Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your profile picture on Epic Games but cannot figure out where the option is, you are definitely not alone because many users get confused while searching through account settings. Whether you want a fresh look, a different gaming style, or simply want your account to feel more personal, updating your Epic Games profile can make your account stand out. Sometimes players expect to find the option directly inside a game, while others search the launcher without success. The good thing is that once you know the correct place to manage your Epic Games account, the process becomes much easier and only takes a few moments. In this video, I will show you step by step how to change your profile picture on Epic Games easily. Try these. Step 1. Open the Epic Games account settings and sign into the Epic Games account where you want to update the Epic Games profile picture. Step 2. Go to the profile section connected to the Epic Games account to check Epic Games account customization options. Step 3. Select the Epic Games profile image area if the Epic Games account provides a profile picture option. Step 4. Upload or choose an image for the Epic Games profile and adjust the Epic Games profile picture if needed. Step 5. Save the changes in the Epic Games account so the Epic Games profile picture updates correctly. Step 6. Refresh the Epic Games account page and confirm the Epic Games profile picture appears properly.